Hey everybody, this is Josh Nelson. I am the CEO at liveiws.com, bringing you daily financial tips on how you can improve your financial life, have privacy and protection over your assets, and build and grow wealth and pass on a legacy to your family. Two things I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to keep this video very, very short today. I've got a very, very busy afternoon, but I want to stay consistent on getting these videos out there. First and foremost, I want to tell you guys about a book. If you can get one takeaway today, I recommend that you go buy this book. It will piss you off when you read it because it's going to talk to you about how the European bankers came over here from Europe and basically not only corrupted our financial system, but hijacked it. And that's the reason why we're in the financial situation that we're in today. But two things that I want to talk to you about today about what we do here at liveiws.com is we attack the two main things that erode every American's wealth and retirement for that matter. And it's number one is interest to third-party banks and creditors, and also taxes. The two things that we all love to talk about. Now, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on this video, but here's what I will tell you is that our mission here at IWS is to teach families how to get money out of the way. And I'll tell you right now, it's not recruiting you into some business opportunity or to get you to buy some crypto or join this network marketing company. No, listen, folks, you've been lied to. Now, doing all those things is great. If you want additional streams of income, you know, I'm a big advocate of that. I've got multiple streams of income as well. But if you don't have a financial structure, right? If you don't have a foundation to build upon as you make money, if you're just putting your money through the traditional banking system, you're always going to be in the position that you're in right now. I promise you guys that, because the system is rigged, right? You have no leverage when you give your money to a bank. If I go to a bank, you know, and I deposit, you know, a couple $1,000s into the banking system, and then I immediately turn around and I go and I pay my bills, right? I pay the car payment, the mortgage, you know, I got to pay for the kids' clothing and food and all these things that we all have during the week, right? Once I spend my income, that income's gone. It goes in the bank, it goes out the bank, and basically you gave all your money away to all the bill collectors, right? And that's typically what we're taught to do. Well, I'll tell you guys right now that if you want to get rid of interest, okay, which we here at Live IWS, we teach you how to eliminate interest, paying interest ever again. You know, Albert Einstein said that the eighth wonder of the world is interest. And he said those that understand it, earn it, and those that don't, pay it. Well, I'm telling you right now, there are financial tools out there that are free, that will cost you nothing, that we can set you up with, where you can eliminate matter of fact, not only eliminate paying interest to a third-party creditor, but how about this? What if you could make the interest that you normally pay to a third-party financial institution inside your own banking system? Wouldn't that be cool? What if there was a way that you could minimize your tax implication? Look, folks, they have the tax code for a reason. The IRS actually encourages people to pay the least amount of taxes possible. But what's funny is nobody ever goes and does the research or reads the tax code on how to do that. Well, I'm here to tell you right now that we have this beautiful thing right here called a non-grantor irrevocable complex discretionary spendthrift trust. Okay? We've also got letters of legal opinion right inside the front of the book by multiple law firms that have vetted this trust to show that it's legal. It's also, we've even taken a step further, this is also copyrighted by the US Copyright Department. Now, why am I telling you about this trust? Because all the wealthy people of the world use this trust. You cannot go down the street and buy this trust. You cannot call your CPA and get your hands on this trust. We are one of a few people in the entire nation that have direct access to getting these non-grantor irrevocable complex discretionary copyrighted spendthrift trust. Now, what does this trust do? Number one, it'll make you lawsuit proof. Nelson Rockefeller said, if you want to truly be successful, you need to own nothing and control everything. This trust will allow you to do that. This trust will allow you to take the majority of your write-off income and turn it into income that you can write off. This trust can do things that a human being cannot do. You know, most of our clients, we get them down between about 3 and 18% on their business taxes. Most of them are around 3%. Can you imagine never paying taxes on capital gains when you buy or sell real estate? This trust can do that. Now, I'm not going to get into anything more because I want the serious people to send me a DM or comment in this video below that you want information. This information cannot be put out in the public. I will not be posting this on Facebook. So if you want to know how you can, in perpetuity, defer your personal income tax and business income tax, then you need to comment below info and I will shoot you over the information. This is the same kind of trust that the Rockefellers use. Matter of fact, I've got a book right here called What Would the Rockefellers Do? This entire book talks about this trust and the other tool that I started hinting on in the beginning. What if you could put your money in an account and earn interest on it, even if you're spending the money? So anyways, I wanted to keep this video short, but I wanted to tease you guys a little bit because look, I know there's people out there that really want to learn this information. I'm being serious now, I'm not joking. I know some of you out there are hurting financially. You've tried every business out there. You've done everything under the sun and you feel like just nothing's working. Let me tell you guys, that is exactly how you're supposed to feel when you're a part of the rigged system. It's always going to keep you in a position where you have to continue going to work and you have to continue chasing the carrot. If you just introduce these two tools into your financial arsenal and use this as a foundation for your financial life and allow our company to give you the education on how to utilize these tools, I'm telling you right now, you will have a retirement like you never thought that you could, because with these tools, it's going to help you build wealth and create a tax-free retirement income. And not only that, but it's ensuring your income. A lot of you out there make a lot of money, and when you put your money in the bank, you don't get anything. Well, if you had your own banking system, you could take your income, put it in your own banking system. You can still access that money, but you could be leveraging that money and you could be earning a guaranteed rate of return on that money. So if you want some information, comment below or you can private message me directly, and I look forward to speaking with you. And again, our services are free. We don't charge anything to have a talk with you guys. So God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day and we'll see you soon.